trial against July unrest alleged instigator Bonginkosi Khanyile has now been adjourned to the 29th of September for further evidence. Former President Jacob Zuma apparently attended the trial, which is being held at the Durban Regional Court. Khanyile is facing charges of inciting violence and contravening the Disaster Management Act. Watching developments for us is SABC News reporter Mlondi Khatebo, who joins us now live from court in Durban. Mlondi, take us through what happened there.
Thank you very much, Ayanda. We are still here at the court, as you correctly said. The former President Jacob Zuma was here, but he did not want to give us any comment in relation to the case, as well as in relation to the fact that it's been 4 years after he was incarcerated in Escort. But we'll just speak to Natasha Kara from the National Prosecuting Authority here in KwaZulu-Natal, who will just briefly tell us about basically, we did see the trial start on Monday. Natasha, what can you tell us?
So the trial, as you said, began on Monday, and the state led witnesses through the week. The state actually led 5 witnesses. The matter was adjourned till today, and today it was adjourned till September, well, the 29th of September until the 3rd of October, and then again the 13th of October to the 17th of October for further evidence in the state's case.
Natasha, I know that maybe you won't have more details in relation to that, because even yesterday when Brigadier Msizi Nyuso was giving evidence, he did mention that it's about 274 cases that were investigated. Do we know how many have been finalized?
What I can say from the NPA side is that the cases that were, put on the court roll, there were 2 sets of cases. Some of the cases went to the lower courts, and in those cases we've had finalizations. The charges therein would include things like malicious injury to property, as well as possession of suspected stolen goods. And when I talk about the lower courts, I mean the courts in the regional courts. We've had finalizations there. The matters that have come to the DPP's office, or the higher courts, we have matters that are at pre-trial stages, and we have managed to finalize one in the Pietermaritzburg Regional Court, which is the suspected or alleged instigators, and in that matter the accused was sentenced to 12 years imprisonment.
Thank you very much, Natasha, for your time.
Thank you so much.
I understand that was Natasha Kara briefing us in relation to the cases that have been basically prosecuted by the NPA. Also, that the matter has been adjourned for October, and then it will be 2 weeks in October. It will sit for 2 weeks in October. Back to you in studio, Ayanda.
Well, Mlondi, before we let you go, as you also mentioned there, that this case is coming at a time where the country is reflecting on the 4th anniversary of the July 2021 unrest. How much of an interest is there still in a case like that in Durban?
In short, you see that the supporters of the MK party have been in court since Monday. They've been attending, and the court has been in full capacity all the days. Even today, it was in full capacity. Also, others were still left outside because for security reasons, they were basically saying that those who had tags must only come in today in the courtroom for security reasons, as former President Jacob Zuma was in attendance, and the MK party members or leaders, they were in this courtroom today.
All right, Mlondi Khatebe, for that update. Thanks very much indeed. Mlondi is live to us from the Durban Regional Court. A story certainly sharply on our radar.